In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to make selection views. So what you'll do is when you go to your floor plan, just click on, under architecture, click on this button right here. It's called selection. So you're going to click, usually section views is like cutting a wall in half or maybe even looking at a kitchen. So I'm going to go to my second floor and kind of show how it would look. So I'm going to click on the selection button again, and I'm going to make it go click outside of the house and go about like this. So you'll click once and then you'll click again. So if I right click on the section, it goes to open view. When I do go to view right there. So right now you get to see the whole section of the house that I highlighted. And you can see that by when I click on the line part of the section view, it'll show a box of all of what's showing. So let's say that I don't want to see what I'm seeing right now. What I really want to see is what the kitchen will look like. So there's this button that's called, little icon called flip section, and flips it so you can see what's going on right there. So now you can see the entire kitchen. And with section views, you can adjust what you see. Let's say I only want to see, let's say I only want the kitchen. So I'm cropping the view almost. And you can even crop the view on your section. Say you don't want to see the footing and you just want to go from floorboard to floorboard. Then that's something that you can do also. But maybe what if you want to see a section view of more of the house? Then you could just expand it like this. And section views are pretty basic. That right now I just put the detail define so you can see more details. You can even rename your section however you want. So I could rename this under sections right here. I can rename it to second floor. And that is basically how you do a section view.